Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
The conditions for this thunderstorm activity is increase in temperature and also the presence of easterly winds at around 3.1 kilometers of height from the surface. So these conditions are going to be there for almost 48 hours more, that is up to 8th we can expect isolated thunderstorm activity over Goa, and in the coming days the thunder activity will reduce and normal monsoon rainfall activity will pick up. Fishermen warnings extending up to 11th of September. So fishermen are requested not to venture into regions along and off Kerala, Karnataka and Lakshadweep coast up to 11th of September. Midnight of 7th of September to 9th of September, they have issued a warning that these swell waves can be affecting the coastal lines of Goa and the low-lying areas could be affected with the waves. So they have issued a set of precautionary measures such that boats should be anchored with a fair distance from each other so that they should not collide with each other in the case of waves affecting them, swell waves affecting them.